So what's up guys, today I will show a small unboxing video of a new DJI Mini Pro drone. So the package I bought is coming with a standard DJI RC-N1 controller. So this drone has 249 grams. It's a 3-directional obstacle sensing, forward, backward, downward, record up to 4K 60 FPS, 34 minutes max flight time, true vertical shooting, has focus track, active track, spotlight and point of interest. So definitely has master shots and time lapses. So this is the most interesting drone you can buy because you don't need any government registrations. So let us start with the unpackage. So I'm really excited how this drone performs. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And so thank you guys a lot for taking time watching this video. So give a thumb up if you enjoyed it and if you found it value. It's always appreciated. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.